Greetings, esteemed participants, and a warm welcome to another enlightening chapter in the treasury of knowledge at Wealthwise Academy. If your heart beats in resonance with the rhythms of prosperity and wisdom, I implore you to embark on this voyage with us by subscribing to our channel and showering this video with the grace of a thumbs up. Today, we unveil a tapestry woven with insights that might just reshape your perceptions of financial success. Gather round as we delve into the subtle indicators that signify you're on a far more triumphant path than you may believe. Freedom of choice in work. Our first revelation takes us into the realm of vocational autonomy. Picture a landscape where one's professional trajectory is dictated by passion rather than mere necessity. As you observe the workforce panorama, you may encounter acquaintances trapped in professional stagnation due to financial constraints. Their aspirations remain fettered by the constraints of financial instability. However, if you wield the power to pivot, to chase your dreams, or to harness the entrepreneurial winds, you stand as a beacon of financial prowess. The ability to pursue your ambitions is a testament to your financial well-being. The illusion of spending happiness. Venturing further, we unravel the paradox of spending and happiness. In a world inundated with consumerism's siren call, recognizing the ephemeral nature of material satisfaction is a testament to your financial acumen. The allure of accumulating possessions may whisper sweet promises, but you, wise traveler, discern the fleeting nature of such gratification. Your ability to invest in lasting fulfillment rather than momentary whims attests to your profound understanding of the interplay between wealth and happiness. Not sweating the small things. In the grand symphony of finances, we encounter the virtuoso who navigates life's crescendos and decrescendos with unwavering grace. The ability to weather minor financial storms, to indulge in life's modest pleasures without entangling oneself in fiscal worry, unveils your role as the conductor of your financial symphony. While you may not possess Midas touch, your judicious stewardship of resources signifies a mastery over life's intricate financial melodies. On track to reach goals, behold the grand tapestry of your goals, woven with threads of vision and determination. The mere presence of objectives, etched into the fabric of your existence, sets you apart in a sea of drifters. Whether your voyage has just begun or you're on the cusp of fruition, your commitment to chart a course and embark upon it speaks volumes. Your deliberate steps toward your aspirations serve as a testament to your dedication, resilience, and financial astuteness. The art of saving and investing. In the realm of resource management, two allies arise: saving and investing. These stalwarts secure your financial fortress, standing as sentinels against life's uncertainties. The mere act of channeling funds into these chambers, whether in torrents or trickles, bears testament to your sagacious approach. While the quantum may vary, your commitment to preserving and multiplying your resources reflects an enlightened path toward financial mastery. Mastery over finances. As we traverse the tapestry of life, the stewardship of finances emerges as a litmus test of control. Gazing upon this panoramic vista, one must inquire whether the waters of fiscal responsibility are placid or tempestuous. The ability to make choices unfettered by monetary shackles, to shape your destiny rather than be shaped by it, epitomizes your dominion over your financial realm. This control extends beyond arithmetic, representing a profound grasp of the synergy between your aspirations and resources. The temptation of lifestyle inflation. In the realm of financial maturation, the siren's call of lifestyle inflation can ensnare even the most prudent voyager. Yet, as you navigate this labyrinth, your financial compass remains steadfast. Your ability to resist the allure of grandeur and maintain the sanctity of fiscal balance signifies your mastery over the tides of consumerism. This discerning approach not only safeguards your present but fortifies the foundations of a prosperous future. As the curtains draw upon this chapter of our voyage, remember that financial success is an intricate tapestry woven with myriad threads. Your ability to discern the nuances of fiscal well-being unveils a mosaic of achievements that collectively shape your destiny. Whether in the midst of stormy seas or beneath the canopy of fair skies, you stand as a sentinel of financial wisdom. Subscribe to our channel and grace this video with your affirmation. Until we convene again, may your journey through the landscapes of prosperity be illuminated by the torch of knowledge.